Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. Today I'm so excited to bring you the X200 Ultra Zeiss Engineered edition. So this time we will have a quick unboxing video, and also I'm going to show you the main features about this device. So this time Vivo works with Zeiss to bring this super powerful device, and today we have the 6GB RAM plus 1TB ROM in red edition. And I want to say this phone can be comparable to a single lens reflect camera, so I'm really excited to show you how this film performance. And next, let's open it. And whoa! So after we open the box, here is the smartphone. It's well protected in the smartphone protector. Later, I will check it. Before we go to today's highlight, I'm going to show you. So first, check the accessories. As we can see, besides the smartphone, they provide a red color case, and it's not like the transparent one. It's a red silk gel, and also it's a quick start for the phone. We can find the basic instruction, warranty information, and the battery information about the device. And here is the battery, and sorry, this is the charger and the cable. This type to provide a 6000 Blue Ocean battery, and this time for the battery they use a silicon carbon anode material. So this time the battery is very slim and light. And also for the charger, 90-watt cable fast charging and a 50-watt wireless fast charging. And this cable is a Type-C to USB-A cable. And for the battery, you can charge it to 80% at around 20 minutes. So this is a very powerful charging solution to provide from Vivo. And yes, so you can, this is all the stuff inside the box. I will cover it, and then we check today's highlight, the smartphone. And okay, yes, so this is the smartphone. First, we can take it out from the smartphone protector, and we can peel it off. Whoa, this time I'm so lucky to get a red color, and I really like this color. And they have a gray and a black and also the red color. Whoa, so finally the red X200 Ultra is in front of us, and it's used a kind of special material glass of the back panel. And this is the frame, mental frame. We can see they have a physical button for the camera part, and it also can scroll it to adjust the brightness and the zoom. Yes, from this angle we can check it. Yes, Type-C charging port, and this is the Zeiss powered triple camera system, and it's a red light at the edge of the camera zone. And sure, they use the Costa Paris, the classical embroidery, yes, at the edge of the camera. And this is the red glass back panel, and it's not shining, kind of sand polishing, so not easy to left your fingerprint on it. And this is the front side. We can wake up screen and check the front side. This time they use a 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED screen, 4 sides, up and down, left and right, same bezel, and it's a micro curved screen. Yes, this is the back panel, and this is the side. Power button, radio button. You can check it from different angles. Yes, so this is the camera. Okay, zoom button style, so we can adjust the zoom ratio through this physical button. Zoom ratio, focal length, we can adjust it. The camera control button. Yeah, So after the iPhone released the new generation phone with this physical button, now more and more brand also add this to their flagship phones, especially this for the flagship camera phone. So yes, we can check it. Yes, we can adjust it here. And before we check the test, we go to settings to check the more information about the device. And this time it used the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It's a latest technology processor, and the maximum CPU reached to 4.32 GHz, and the GPU support Android 830. I mean the GPU, yes. And it support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.1. Yes, 16 GB RAM plus 1 TB RAM. Here are more information. And about this display, as I mentioned, it's a 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED screen, micro curved, 4-size same bezel, and 3168 by 1440 display resolution. And it supports TPO, and the refresh rate you can adjust it. But maximum 120 Hz, and also the peak brightness reached to 4500, and also it's reached to get the Zeiss master color recognition. So this is a very nice display smartphone, and the screen to bird ratio reached to 93.3% and support HDR, and also the glass is super strong AMOLED glass. And also for this device, it get a stereo speaker and on-screen fingerprint, and also a lot of sensors was applied, like this laser, X Zeiss photo. Yes, so here I'm going to have a quick, finally, the camera test. For the camera part, I think this time I should take a lot of words to describe it. And this is the 14mm, 35mm, and for the main one, 35mm is a 50 megapixel Sony LYT 818 f 1.69 aperture and support OIS. And also for the wide angle, 14mm 50 megapixel Sony LYT 818, a super big wide angle aperture f2.0 and support OIS as well. So the maximum, this is the zoom performance 200, and it's night. And also for the telephoto, it's 85mm 200 megapixel Samsung HP9 FP. It support aperture f2.27 OIS, 3.7 optical, and 105 mixed digital zoom. So this is a camera, and we can check the more, and also the portrait effect. You can choose those natural photo, norm, or portrait, classical portrait. And for this camera, it support full aperture OIS anti-shake, there's T asterisk coating film. Okay, this is the front camera. And for the front camera selfie, get a AI algorithm to make your skin looks natural, and also can keep the details. And also the beauty mode is very powerful, and it even supports the 4K video recording for the front camera. So yes, we can check the camera and also the video. Let's get a 4K 8K video recording, 30 fps to 60 fps. 30, this is 30 4K, and also the double vision, and also the anti-shake. And I will put all the sample pictures at the end of the video, so you can check the performance of the camera and the quality of the image. This is for the video, and also we can check more from the settings of the camera: underwater, panel, slow motion, pro mode, super moon as well. Okay, very nice. And also this time for the Vivo X200 provide a physical button, as I mentioned. Also they have a photographic kit, but this time I don't get it. In the next following videos I will show you. And this is the physical button. Long press to get a snapshot, and also the scroll it, and you can switch it from the zoom, brightness, and also aperture. Very convenient. And for at this position, to put the button at this position is very convenient, because no matter you hold it like this or change the direction, you can also use this fit button to adjust the camera. Brightness 85. Very powerful. And also this time for the camera, the portrait mode is also powerful. And in my following videos I can show you more. It's very funny function and very convenient, especially for the guys who really like shooting, camera shooting. Okay, I've taken more pictures, and to test the flexible of the physical button. So it works 99% percentage. It works, and it's very nice. And before I also used the Oppo X8 Pro and Ultra to also have this physical button. It's very nice. So this is today's main content of the Vivo X200 Ultra, and this is a super powerful camera device from Vivo again. And this is I think this is phone that can be comparable with the single lens reflect cameras, especially if it worked with the photography. It's amazing. Okay, so thanks for watching my content, and here's some pictures of the Vivo X200. Let's enjoy it, and waiting for my next video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.